Hi, I'm Gina Sunderland. I am the Food and Consumer Relations Dietitian with Manitoba Chicken Producers. And we're super excited about the holiday season. You know what? I think it's often our favorite time of year. And it's all about visiting with friends, family, and making delicious food. So we're going to jump right in here and make a delicious appetizer recipe. This is our tropical chicken taquitos. And it's easy to make, and I am going to get Dustin and Joel to show you how easy it is to make. So Dustin's going to start out by adding 1 red onion, 1 clove of garlic, and a chopped jalapeno pepper. And that just goes right to a bowl. So this is great. You put everything into a bowl, and Joel, you can go ahead and add 2 cups of chopped chicken. One of the things that we love about this recipe is that it gives you a great way to use leftover chicken. So if you're going to roast a chicken on the weekend, you might as well roast 2. There's so many great things you can do with that leftover chicken. Joel's adding in 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce, and that just holds this whole recipe together, and it gives it a really nice tangy flavor. Some other unique ingredients too are 1 cup of fresh pineapple. So Joel, if you want to add that. And then there is 1/4 cup of cilantro, chopped cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley. I've done it with both. Whatever you have on hand. And then a really, really nice ingredient is 1 cup of shredded cheese. You can use cheddar, Tex-Mex, Monterey Jack. The sky's the limit, whatever your favorite flavor is. And Dustin is just bringing this all together really nicely for us. It looks good. I love recipes that combine like sweet, tangy pineapple, barbecue sauce.
And the colors look nice and pretty too.
They do, they look festive. Yeah. All right.
All right, is that looking good?
That is looking phenomenal.
I'm thinking so too.
All right, perfect. All right, so do you guys want to start showing everyone how you roll up these taquitos? So easy.
For sure.
Okay, we'll just move that over a little bit.
1 big spoon there.
Perfect.
Then I take another one.
Way to go, Dustin.
Yeah.
All right.
Just want to get the stuff in the middle.
Yeah.
Roll it over.
Roll it
pull
over.
it back a
pull
bit.
it back.
And roll it.
Roll it over again.
And you want to put it seam side down so they stay
Inside
together.
down, stay together, what's in the oven. That simple.
Perfect. Those are starting to look good, guys.
Let's get these going again.
It's a really fun thing to make too. If you have, some guys over on the weekend and you want to have a snack instead of ordering in takeout, these are super easy, right?
A little healthier too.
Definitely healthier. And just like we got some of the ingredients prepped, if you know you're having friends over, you can have that already in the fridge and everyone can make their own taquitos.
Okay.
Yeah, do you guys want to do a couple more?
For sure.
All right.
Let's do
Look how fast this goes.
It's not even that hard either. It's just a quick scoop in and
So-
1-2 roll. There you go.
So these bake in the oven at about 425 degrees for just 15 minutes. And they smell great, and when they come out, they're delicious. And it's wonderful to serve them with some extra barbecue sauce. You can use regular barbecue sauce, smoky barbecue sauce. I've even made these too with replacing the pineapple for fresh mango, and that's awesome too. All right. So as soon as we got these ones rolled up, we're going to pop these in the oven. And I want to thank everyone for tuning in. We'd love to hear your questions. If you're just joining us, we are with Manitoba Chicken Producers, and this is our Holiday Appetizers Facebook Live. And we want to thank all of you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us for this evening's event. So Joel, if you want to just pop those in the oven, that would be just perfect.
Just do 2 more here.
Sure,
Okay, yeah, finish her off, and
yeah.
yeah, you guys have a nice tray there already. We have some terrific prizes that I'm going to share with you in a minute. So if you comment on this evening's event or you ask us a question, we will add your name to a draw for some beautiful Manitoba Chicken Producers swag. This tropical chicken taquito recipe is on our website, manitobachicken.ca. And I'm just going to share with you a little bit about our prizes while we transition to our next terrific recipe. We're just going to quickly clear this away. All right, I'll give that to you, Joel. And Dustin, if you want to pull this aside. All right. So for commenting or asking us a question, we have these phenomenal prizes. We've got our silicone oven glove, a beautiful wooden Manitoba Chicken Producers cutting board, and we have our signature barbecue sauce that you can use to make your own taquitos. So our next delicious recipe is chicken tartlets. Hey, you guys have joined the holiday season. It's official. The season is here. Way to go. So these are chicken tartlets with cranberry salsa. I love the flavor of the salsa. This is a very easy recipe. So just before we got started here, I browned 1 pound of ground chicken with a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, a teaspoon of fresh thyme or 1/2 teaspoon of dry, and just about 1/2 teaspoon of salt for some flavor. And once that's fully cooked, as it's cooling, you whisk together, really unique recipe, 1/3 cup of sour cream and 1 egg. And you just mix it into the ground chicken. And then these guys are gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to take that filling and make these tartlets. And this is what they look like. And man, they look good, but they taste even better. So this is another really fun recipe. I say that, you know what, keep 1 pound of ground chicken in your freezer and a little package of already made tart shells. You've got this one down, and it's just so easy. These bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. They come out golden and they are superb. They make a fantastic appetizer or snack. And in fact, once you have these baked, you can freeze them before you top them with the cranberry salsa. One of my favorite flavor combinations is chicken with cranberry sauce. Well, this is sort of a spin on cranberry sauce because it has your fresh cranberries, but you also incorporate the flavors of the zest of a lime, lime juice, ginger, cilantro, and green onion. So it's delicious. Those look great, you guys. So yeah, so we just pulled a few out of the oven. And guys, go ahead. This is the beautiful cranberry salsa. You guys are amazing. I can't believe how fast you put those together.
Yeah, for sure.
And if you love the taste of cranberry, you can add more. Yeah, so once the cranberry's cooked, they've got all this delicious flavor. They also have something called pectin in them that makes that cranberry gel right up. It's pretty neat stuff.
That's kind of interesting.
So you guys excited about the holidays?
I think I am, for sure.
Yeah. So you have some exams before Christmas, Dustin?
Yeah, I have 2 actually. I have my English exam and my geography exam.
Okay, so the stress is on right till the end, hey?
Oh yeah, it's very, very stressful. Stressful time of year.
And what about you, Joel?
I actually have a psych exam tomorrow.
Okay, but you're still taking time to cook, so I really appreciate that. Way to go. This is perfect. Yeah, so please do comment. Share your favorite chicken recipe with all of us. Go onto our website, manitobachicken.ca. Manitoba Chicken Producers represents 120 family-owned farms producing delicious and nutritious chicken for all of us to enjoy. And we distribute that chicken throughout Manitoba and Northwestern Ontario. And you want to make sure to know how you're buying Canadian chicken. Look for raised by a Canadian farmer, and you will know that you are getting delicious Canadian chicken in your grocery stores to enjoy. We love chicken because it is so versatile. We've done 2 recipes tonight. They were that easy. One was using ground chicken, one was using cooked leftover chicken. We have a ton of ideas on our website at manitobachicken.ca. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love for you to like our Facebook page and comment. And we're going to take any questions you have right now.
So Sue asks, could I use frozen mango or thawed for this recipe? And that's for the taquitos.
Yeah, you can definitely use frozen pineapple. You can use frozen mango, pineapple. You can use any other fruit that you might like. I've even done these in a pinch with canned pineapple too.
I was just thinking maybe like a strawberry too, you know, even like with like any kind of sweet fruit I feel would work, honestly, you know, because pineapple's got that sweet taste to it, so anything else sweet would work just as well, I feel.
Yeah, so kind of like cranberries goes well with chicken. I bet strawberries or other fruits, or even maybe a tart cherry. It's a great recipe, and the sky's the limit. Yeah.
We had a direct message for Dustin. How long have you been interested in cooking?
Well, I've always started, I mean, I haven't done a lot of cooking until my past recent years, which I've done in home ec my last couple years of middle school, and just getting into high school, I've started to expand my like workspace cooking area. But when I was younger, I guess it started off with just a lot of baking with my mom and stuff like that from home. So it started off from a young age, I guess, you know. But I think cooking's pretty cool. This stuff tastes delicious,
great.
looks cool, you know.
And it is. It's such an important life skill, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay, the next question is for Joel. Why do you make your own food when it's so easy to just buy stuff?
Being in university, it's really more convenient to make your own food and just have it ready to go. And it's also more cost effective since I don't have a lot of money being in school.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's
Good
true.
point.
And you know what? It's this easy, right? You can have some of these things prepped and ready in the fridge.
And I can just microwave them whenever I need it.
Yeah.
You could pre-cook them too.
Pre-cook it,
that
yeah,
kind of stuff.
yeah. And a great thing too is I like to always, roast 2 chickens at once. That leftover cooked chicken you can actually freeze and then just pull out to make things like taquitos or to do a number of different things, to make wraps. There's lots of things that you can do with leftover roast chicken. You can make chicken salad. So it's just very versatile.
Okay, and we had one more question. How do you know when your chicken is cooked?
Okay, well, you know what my favorite kitchen tool in the whole world? Well, I love a great cutting board, which you can win tonight, and a nice sharp knife. But the other kitchen essential is a meat thermometer. So for roast chicken, the thermometer should read 180 degrees Fahrenheit, inserted into the thickest part of the chicken, which is the breast. And when you are cooking chicken parts or ground chicken, it should be at 165 degrees. So invest in a meat thermometer or put it on your holiday Christmas list, and you will not go without it. I use mine all the time, and you have that reassurance that your chicken is cooked properly, and you don't need to overcook it either and dry it out, right? So that thermometer does the trick.
Yeah.
We have a comment here from James. He says, we use our chicken carcasses to make our own very healthy bone broth. Awesome in so many recipes afterwards.
Yeah, that is a wonderful thing. One of the best things is, I think, roast chicken, you get the best mileage out of it, right? You have that meal. The next day you can take some of that chicken and make chicken salad or make these delicious taquitos. And then with that carcass, you can make soup and delicious bone broth, and it's protein rich. It can't compare to the type of broth that you would buy. So thank you, James, for that comment. It's a wonderful way to use all of the parts of chicken. Yeah, so we want to thank everyone for tuning in tonight. We will be direct messaging those that are lucky enough to win our wonderful Manitoba chicken swag. Happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for joining us, and a huge thank you to my sous chefs, Dustin and Joel. Thanks for taking time to do this with me. Cooking is fun, and like you said, Dustin, it's cool too.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's my opinion at least.